in your book, you detail how you believe the legal industry has sort of lost its way. What what stands out to you as some of the I don't want to say failures. What stands out to you as some of the legal industry's biggest shortcomings when it comes to this?
I think it starts with how we train lawyers, and it really starts at law school. So, for a start, law school does in my opinion, a terrible job in preparing people for the practice of law. At law school, you read these cases, you'll read these Supreme Court opinions, you'll debate the constitutionality of various laws. That's not what we do, or generally not what we do on a daily basis. I look at most of my time, it's on the phone with clients. How do you deal with difficult clients? How do you deliver bad news to clients? It's talking strategy to my colleagues. It's how do we get clients? Ultimately, we're in the sales business. We're just selling our time. And so that is not taught at law school. How do you generate business? How do you get clients? And so I think for a start, we need to treat the practice of law what it is. It's a business. We're delivering a service. So I think it starts from there. Then, as far as once someone passes the bar, in the US, you could pass the bar and then open your own law firm the very next day. Well, I wouldn't want a heart surgeon, operating on me the day they get their medical license. Yet, for some reason, as lawyers, we think that's acceptable. I'm a firm advocate of the English system, which I obviously grew up in. You have to go through a mandatory training program before you can appear in court, before you can service clients. As a barrister, it's called pupillage. And so for a year, you live the life of a senior barrister. You go with them to court every day. You work on their papers. It's a true mentorship program. And so some type of system before you're let loose, I think some type of apprenticeship or training would behoove the profession. And then I think within law firms, I think obviously there's a emphasis on profits, like the AmLaw 100. How do they rank firms? So it's who is the most profitable. Well, maybe we need to think of other factors. Well, what's the associate satisfaction? What's their training programs? Are people leaving the profession? So again, of course, I get that we're a business and there's always going to be an emphasis on profits. But again, that's not the only factor here. Are we delivering fulfilled lawyers? Are we delivering for our clients? So they're just some of the things I touch upon in the book.